Hey friends, it's Sam, your real estate man, bringing you another segment of Frank's Take on Real Estate. Frank, thanks for joining us.
Hey there, big dog. What's up?
Good things. I met our neighbor when we were walking the other day, and he invited me in to take a look at his place because he's thinking of selling, and he asked me what improvements should be done, if any. Well, the windows were busted, the carpet was in bad shape, the kitchen needed a lot of love, and I want your take on that. What do you think he should do?
Yeah, it's kind of on an as-needed basis. We got a pretty hot market, and he could definitely sell it as is. However, you put about $1,000 into that, you'd probably get an extra $20,000 in sales price. So things like fixing the windows would be important. Maybe if you've got colors on the walls, or the walls are really tired, put in a really quick one coat of white paint over it just to make it look clean.
But in this market, don't you think it's just going to sell as is?
It will! But you're talking about what you want for top dollar here. When people walk into the house for an open house, they're looking for problems. They don't understand that. But instead of saying, look how great this is, they'll see something wrong and they're like, look how bad that is.
Right, but then you get the people that just can oversee that and go, hey, there's a lot of value in this home because of where it is and the market. And I think they would overlook that, and we can still get them top dollar. Do you agree or not agree?
In a way, first-time buyers can't see past it.
That's true.
So your first-time buyers are going to be saying it's too much work.
Okay.
But if you have something that looks clean and taken care of, a lot of people can say, okay, yes, I can do with this, or yes, I want to put in my own kitchen. But if they can't see past it, you're just hurting yourself. Pull up the old carpet or have it cleaned if it's not 20 years old, and you'll get your money back tenfold. Promise you.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to follow your lead, buddy. All right.
Not much more than that. Don't be putting in new kitchen cabinets.
Okay. All right. I'm going to let him know that we need to replace the windows, paint the kitchen, and pull up the carpet, and we're good to go. Okay.
Good to go.
All right. Hey, buddy. I want to thank you for that. Good advice.
You're welcome for that.
All right. Hey, friends. Hope you found
There's
this.
a fake laugh. There's a fake laugh, doll. I'm trying to get through this because we're having a hard time because of that tall man over there. Pain in the bed.
Hey friends, hope you found this helpful. If you would like more advice on how to improve the curb appeal of your home and how to get top dollar for the sale of your property,
I'm out of here.
give me a call. I'll make it happen. Remember, I'm Sam, your real estate man. Make it a great day. See you, Frank. Thanks.
Make it look like a pride of ownership. People appreciate that.
Let me
Did
ask
you
you.
just pinch me? Slugged me.
Let me ask you. What's the number one thing they need to do?
Clean up the clutter.
That's it. So pick it up, depersonalize it, and pick up all the stuff, huh?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And you know one little cute trick of the trade?
Yeah.
Paint your front door.
Yeah, that's a really good tip.
God, you just slugged me again.
And where your hair's in my mouth.
Yeah,
I do.
The hair you got in your mouth,
Look at that.
that's from me. That's what you get.